Hi everyone, welcome back. I just want to show you some of the tax form. So because we've been switching example in and out, so we just want to point out especially the depreciation, how it's different, right? So once you pay for TurboTax, so to view your tax forms, you could go to Tax Tool and then Print Center and then print or save or preview. So you want to see all the worksheets, and it's preparing our document. So this is our 1040. So this is the Schedule D. So remember, this is our portion of the installment sales that being taxed. And remember, we were talking about the unrecaptured section 1250. So it's broken down for us which one is allocated to that unrecaptured capital gains. Yeah. So this is the part that we have to pay tax on, right? So in the end, it's lumped with this, but this 24 is within this 28. And then this is just our Schedule E. And we want to look at the worksheet. Well, it doesn't give me when I do a search. Okay, so here it is. So it tells you what is the gross profit for section 1250, the $30,000, right? And what is the profit percentage, the 85.98%. So if you recalled when we was looking at our number, we was calculating this number for the second example. So remember that the depreciation recapture is tax max at 25%. Yeah, so that's why it's saying this portion gonna be taxed at 25%. So it's still broken down to you. So remember why it was very important to include, to section out which one was the asset, which one was the land, so which one was we need to calculate section 1250, the depreciation recapture. So that's just the qualified business. So basically, you want to check, and then you want to look at that installment form. So that was 62.52, yeah. So I'm going to do a quick search, and here is our installment sale form. So we had the sale of the property, you know, just some basic information, the sale price, right, and then the cost, and the depreciation portion, yeah. So this is our adjusted basis, and then the payment that we receive for 23, excluding interest. Interest is not calculated here. So basically it tells us that installment income for this year that we need to pay on is this amount. So see, you see it's showing on our 1040, right? And it comes from our Schedule D. Yeah, so with the installment sales, that is calculate that number, that 28K, and then it's flow into Schedule D, and then Schedule D gonna flow into our 1040 form. So you can see the flow. And then remember that interest, yeah, that 2,200 that the buyer pay us for that installment interest, yeah, it goes straight here. And usually that go to Schedule B, and then Schedule B it go to 1040 eventually. So we can find on the spot that have this information. So basically this is our Schedule B, yeah. You can see that it was in the Schedule B, and it was in some other part for calculation, but that's not important, but we know the flow. So I hope that this is informative, and I'll see you at the next video.